class. This is Mrs. Naheed Fatma, and today we're going to talk about atom, its subatomic particles, the first 20 elements and their symbols, atomic numbers and atomic masses, what they are and how do we calculate them, and how do we use them to solve further problems. Alright, let's begin. सबसे पहले let us get clear कि हर एटम जो कि हर एलिमेंट का बेसिक मोस्ट यूनिट जो है वो एटम होता है, राइट. सो द एटम is mainly divided into two parts as is described by this diagram. The central part is called the nucleus, while the rest of the space is called the extranuclear space, जिसको हमने बेसिकली यहाँ पे शेल से कंसिडर किया हुआ है. यहाँ पे एक बहुत ही बेसिक एटम दिखाया हुआ है विच कुड बी अ हाइड्रोजन एटम, जिसमें सिर्फ एक शेल होता है क्योंकि उसमें एक ही इलेक्ट्रॉन होता है. बट एज वी फर्दर प्रोग्रेस द नंबर ऑफ शेल्स ऑल्सो इंक्रीज, राइट. वील टॉक अबाउट दिस फर्दर in another lecture, but for the purpose of this lecture let us just consider this simple diagram and the simple structure of an atom, right. So as we said, as it is said here, okay, the atom is further divided into three subatomic particles, which are the electron, the proton and the neutron. So next question ये है कि where do these subatomic particles reside in an atom? जैसे कि हमने डिस्कस किया, the atom has a central nucleus and an extranuclear space. So nucleus के अंदर there is the positively charged proton, ठीक है, and the neutron which has no charge. It is a neutral particle as it is shown with the sign. So P के ऊपर positive sign है, plus का sign है, which means that it is a positively charged particle, whereas the neutron shows 0, which means that it has no charge, while the electron, which is in the shell, it is in the outer nuclear space, that is a negatively charged particle. उसके ऊपर एक negative charge होता है. Alright, so that is the basic structure of an atom. So the purpose of understanding this structure and the subatomic particles is the application of it. इसको हम use करेंगे to determine the atomic number and atomic mass of every element, ठीक है. हर element का जो atomic number है, atomic mass है, या उसके number of protons, electrons और neutrons हैं, वो एक दूसरे से different होंगे, and that is what differentiates them from each other. Alright. For example, हाइड्रोजन में एक प्रोटॉन होता है, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन होता है और न्यूट्रॉन्स नहीं होते, ठीक है. कंपेयर दैट टू ऑक्सीजन, जिसमें 8 प्रोटॉन्स होते हैं, 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं और 8 न्यूट्रॉन्स होते हैं. सो द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, प्रोटॉन्स एंड न्यूट्रॉन्स विद इन द एटम्स ऑफ ईच एलिमेंट इज़ व्हाट डिफरेंशिएट्स देम. यही उनको एक दूसरे से मुख्तलिफ बनाता है. ऑलराइट, सो व्हाट आर the atomic number and atomic masses? So atomic number basically means the number of protons inside the nucleus, right. जितने भी protons किसी भी atom के nucleus में होंगे वो उसका atomic number होगा. For example, हाइड्रोजन में एक प्रोटॉन और एक इलेक्ट्रॉन होते हैं. the atomic number of hydrogen would be 1. Similarly, the number of protons in a sodium atom are 11. Therefore, the atomic number of sodium is 11. So, the number of protons inside the nucleus is the atomic number. Or another definition of it could be number of electrons in the outer space of an atom is equal to the atomic number. Because the number of protons and electrons are in a neutral atom are same. ठीक है, इसीलिए हम इन दोनों में से एक को कंसिडर कर सकते हैं एंड वी कंसिडर द एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ दैट एलिमेंट. ऑलराइट, कमिंग ऑन टू एटॉमिक मास जो होता है दैट इज़ द सम ऑफ द नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स एंड न्यूट्रॉन्स इन द न्यूक्लियस ऑफ एन एटम. So for example, hydrogen में there are there's one proton and no neutrons. So 1 plus 0 would be 1, and that would be the atomic mass of hydrogen. Similarly, lithium has 3 protons and 4 neutrons. So 3 and 4 would be 7. So 7 would be the atomic mass of lithium. So we have shown an example over here of the sodium atom. The sodium atom has 11 protons, 12 neutrons and 11 electrons in its atom, right? So the atomic number of sodium atom would be the number of protons or the number of electrons in this, and that is 11. So the atomic number of sodium is 11. The atomic mass, as we said, was the number of So the atomic mass of sodium would be the number of protons plus the number of neutrons inside the nucleus. So that would be 11 protons plus 12 neutrons. That would give us 23. So the atomic mass of a sodium atom would be 23. The third thing that we need, which we will need in further lectures and further problems that we solve, is the symbol. The symbol of every element is unique to it. जिस तरह से सोडियम का symbol is a capital N and an A, Na, which comes from the, I think, Latin word for it, which is natrium. So a typical element is written as the symbol of the element. The atomic number, which is denoted by Z, is on the bottom, whereas the atomic mass, which is denoted by A, is on the top. So for sodium, the symbol is Na, the atomic number, which is Z, is on the bottom, which is 11, and the atomic mass, which is A, is on the top, which is 23. So 11Na23 describes the sodium atom, which has the atomic number 11 and atomic mass of 23. Alright, following this example, we have 20 elements over here with their atomic masses and atomic numbers and their symbols. This is basically what you will need to learn in order to solve problems which will be in your syllabus for the year. ये 20 elements, इनके atomic numbers, इनके atomic masses और इनके symbols आपको याद करने होंगे by heart in order to solve problems which will be in your exam. ठीक है, start with hydrogen. Hydrogen का symbol is H. The atomic number and atomic mass both is 1, which is very easy to remember. The second element is helium. Helium का symbol is atomic number. Helium का symbol is He. Atomic number is 2 and atomic mass is 4. Next is lithium. The atomic number for which is 3 and the atomic mass is 7, and it is denoted by Li. Next is beryllium. The atomic number is 4 and the atomic mass is 9. Followed by boron, denoted by B. The atomic number is 5 and the atomic mass is 11. Followed by carbon, which is the 6th element, and hence its atomic number is 6 while the atomic mass is 12. Nitrogen is denoted by N. Its atomic number is 7 and the atomic mass is 14. Whereas oxygen is the 8th element, denoted by O, and the atomic mass is 16. Fluorine is denoted by F. Its atomic number is 9 and atomic mass is 19. Whereas neon is the 10th element, denoted by Ne, and the atomic mass is 20. This list will be given to you, so do not worry about taking screenshots or anything from this. You will be provided with this list. The aim is to learn this by heart. So if you see closely, there's a pattern. हर एलिमेंट का जो एटॉमिक नंबर है वो ऑलमोस्ट उसका हाफ है. सो 2 इज़ द एटॉमिक नंबर, सो उसके एटॉमिक मास जो है उसका डबल हो जाता है 4. 3 का 6 होना चाहिए बट इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 7, ठीक है, विच इज़ क्लोज टू इट्स डबल. 4 का 8 होना चाहिए, 9 है, ठीक है, इट्स ऑलमोस्ट इट्स डबल. सो यू कैन यूज़ दिस ट्रिक टू रिमेंबर. सही है. ये 20 एलिमेंट्स हमारे पास हैं विच वी विल नीड टू लर्न in order to solve problems. Alright, I hope that was clear. If you have any questions, you can ask them, and we will do some exercises so you can better your skills at this. And that's it for today. Thank you.